Let's cut straight to it. I'm going to vacuum 5 different surfaces and hit some of the highlights along the way, but the main thing is, does it work? Yes, it works, and it works on all sorts of different things, and really more than you might expect. So first highlight, look at my dog here. This is not super whisper quiet because it's a vacuum, but it's not scaring my dogs. In fact, the other dog kind of poked her head in there, and she is scared of everything, and yet they just kind of hang around, don't seem to be bothered by it. There's 2 different settings as far as like medium speed and high speed, and then there's a power button. That's it. There's not a whole lot of else to do, which is actually good. The UV light, which you'll see later, comes on and off automatically, very safely, by the way. And like I said, there's just not a lot to do. There's also a heat function where it gets up to like 149 degrees, and you don't have to do anything for that either. It just does it. So I like the fact that it's just not toggling through a bunch of stuff. It's just simple. So, all right, so you saw that first couch. We actually have another mattress vacuum. This is the second one I've tried. And so that other couch had already been cleaned about a month ago, and this one pulled even more out of it, which was really great. This couch the same way. Everything else after this couch I have not cleaned before, so you'll kind of see how much stuff it pulls out. It's not a vacuum like your typical vacuum where like you're focusing on the surface. This is really going underneath and deep down, and it's pulling up dander and dust and probably dead skin cells and mites if you have any of that kind of stuff. So this is really like deep clean, which is like peace of mind, especially on things that you're like putting your head next to, like your bed or like a pillow on your couch. It's like this is what you're actually not having to breathe in anymore. So you just saw me go over that couch. I like to go nice and slow. It doesn't take but a few minutes to do a big couch, but just nice and slow. This does have a HEPA filter, by the way. But look at this. This is not something you're going to get with your normal vacuum. Look at all this dust. There is a little hair in there too. Obviously that would have come from the surface, but look at that. That is just down deep into the pores of the cushions and the foams and the fabrics. And so it's just, again, it's really peace of mind. All right, so here, this is a really good vacuum cleaner. I am going to vacuum this rug, this little portion of the rug, like crazy for a while. And I went back and forth from every possible angle on the highest function. And then, so you can see all that I pulled up. And now I'm gonna do this. Now, I'm not gonna do rugs like every month at my house, but it is kind of nice just to know that you have this in the repertoire. So I went about that speed, and I just went on this rug a couple different directions, and then you'll see what it pulls out. Now, rugs are not real deep, so you're not going to get like, you're not going down 4 inches. It's just real surface level, but this is what you're going to get after I've already vacuumed. And when I say vacuumed, I vacuumed like 5-10 times harder than I normally would. So look at that. Isn't that crazy? I mean, that is fine particles, that's dirt, that's dust. It just really gets down in deep. It's 16,000 kPa, which is basically just the function that they measure the strength. 16,000 is like industry leading standard kind of thing. Look at that, 16-foot cord. That was probably the one feature that I wasn't expecting to love so much, but this cord is so long, you're not having to like move your stuff around. You don't need to push your couch over close to an extension, to a plug. You need the plug to be long. So 16 feet is a long plug, and I really appreciate it. All right, this one here, this is it's a mattress that we got, but it's kind of an inexpensive mattress. There's that UV feature, by the way. When you pull it up, it turns off, so you're not staring at the light. And that's just killing microscopic things and germs and that kind of stuff. It's been kind of cool, and it just kicks on anytime it's flat. So this mattress is not like a traditional mattress. It is more kind of like a super topper, and it just cleaned it really good. So, all right, and this last one here obviously is a whatever those functional chairs are called. I can't remember. My daughters have them; they love them. But whatever they're called, this is the pillow that goes on top. And again, it's just like you're never gonna get the vacuum up on this, and so having something like this just gives you some new functionality, and it just cleaned it up really, really nice. So, all right, while you're watching this last little bit, I did get this free from the company. I love it, and I'm very happy with it. I hope the video helps you. It pulls up so much stuff, and it's really nice just to have this in your house. You will find so many uses for it. All right, have a great day.